I had to video this. This is the light. Do you guys see that absolute gorgeousness of nature just serenading me? Because, you know, it's for me. Oh my God. This just filled me up. Even if I see it every day for the rest of my life, this is the light. Oh, oh my goodness. The wonderful, do you see that glow? Oh my gosh, to capture this light, it's like I started doing the videos on being the light, and nature just showed up like, here I am the light. Oh my God. Yeah, man. Oh, the light. I don't want to stop it. The thing about it is the reflection of the sun on me. I feel like it just, words can't express, words can't express my in loveness with this mess. Love you, love me, love.